I've been working on this side project for the past few weeks. It is an automatic animal lunch station designed to dispense food for your pets. I printed this prototype in pistachio green Prusament, and an Arduino Nano is used as a controller for this project. I tried to make most of the wiring as a plug-and-play system so that it is easy to replicate these food silos. The device runs on 12 volts and uses a stepper motor connected to a conveyor screw for the dispensing of dry food pellets. The design is made as sort of a sandwich system, consisting of 3 big printed parts and a glass jar on top. The printed parts are fastened with a few screws and inserts, and on the back of the device is an interface to set the right values. That interface is basically just 2 potentiometers for the volume and time interval, and a push button for manual dispensation. Now let's put it to the test.